Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix messenger notification not working on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications. If you want to fix this problem, click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on side button and volume up button, restart device, and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, see all app and search messenger app from here. Click on messenger app and click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system, reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix messenger notification not working on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.